Once in 4 years, the World Cup fever grips the world and everyone goes crazy with football. This time, the World Cup is taking place in Russia. A total of 64 matches are lined up, and the best country teams and the world star players will be seen in action. Unfortunately, not everybody can go to witness the World Cup live in Russia. Only a lucky few from Goa are fortunate enough to make it. Therefore, for all those crazy football fans who could not make it to Russia, we have replicated the experience here at Bay 15. Fan zones are special venues created in all World Cup cities so that those who cannot find a place in the stadium can watch live screening of matches. At Bay 15, we have recreated the fan zone experience, and we will be bringing you all the 64 matches live on big screens, right from the inaugural on 14 June to the finals on 15th of July.
But for the World Cup, we have the events, we have offers, we have competitions launched on the app. Now, I am going to run you through all the competitions step by step, as well as the entire usage of the app. You guys can go home, download the app. The very salient feature I think about the app is that for the people who sit behind their phones while watching football games, they can come and now be a part of it. There will be games to play. They don't even need to watch the game, but they can still be a part of it. They can be a part of the entire Bay 15 atmosphere as well. Now, talking about the app, you can't sit at home and play. It restricts your access to only being at Bay 15. So once you're at Bay 15, it automatically knows you're there, and it will allow you to predict games to be a part of it.